Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to another video. So as I did the unboxing in the previous video, in this video I'll be doing the setup of the GoPro. So first let me remove this casing around it, and here is the full view of the GoPro. As you can see, this is the camera, I think this is the recording button, then you have the battery compartment here, and this is the mounting cable below, and this is the screen, and this is the power button, this one. So let's get our hands on this. So first let's remove the battery and the SD card. So this is one of the best recommended SD cards that you can buy for this GoPro. Otherwise you can also buy other SD cards which I'll be putting up on the screen there. So let's remove this. Okay, so we have to open this battery compartment lid. So to open this, first you have to lift this up like this, and then you have to open it like this. So you lift this like this and then open it like this, so you can see the battery compartment. So at first it's a little bit hard, this lid, but you just need to push it up and then open it. So now we have this micro SD card. I guess you have to put that first, because once you put the battery, you won't be able to put this. So let's put this one in. I think it goes this side. Okay, I pushed it in, and now we have to put the battery. So I guess it's like this way, so it has to be like this. Okay, I put the battery in, and I think this is the place where you can charge this one, the USB-C port. And now we'll close the battery compartment lid in. We'll lift that up like that, and you can press it in, so it opens. So I guess we are on the camera now, so I think we have to click on this one, the mode. So that's the power button, and there's a flash of light, and the screen opened. Okay, it says GoPro. Okay, English. Okay, legal stuff, agree. Okay, GPS on. Okay, install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Then leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So it's saying to install the GoPro app. So I can just keep this aside like this, and let me get the GoPro app. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the GoPro app. So it's called GoPro Quick. So now we need to install it, and we have to wait until it's installed. Okay, so now it's installed. So now let's open it. The app is loading, and quick works great with just your phone. Do you also own a GoPro? Yes, I have a GoPro. Let's pair a GoPro. Okay, pair my GoPro. Connect a camera. Allow. Searching for a camera. Let me just keep this here next to the camera. So they found my GoPro is the Hero 9 Black. So we have to connect this. Okay, let's try again. Then you have to keep it near. Okay, it came. Okay, I can see on the screen the camera came. We have to wait for it to load on the phone. Okay, so yeah, you can just keep it like that. Done. Okay, I have to put a new name. My GoPro. Done. Save new name. Okay, update the camera so we can get the latest features. Okay, update camera. Okay guys, so the update is ready, so we can just click on let's go. So my GoPro, so the camera is now found, and scan for new footage. So I think this is the app, so I think there's nothing to do with the app anymore, so I can just close this app, and it's just for the update. So if you can do anything to control your GoPro, then you can use the app. Other than that, you don't need it. So here I have the GoPro, and there. So battery was just 10%. I don't know how it increased to 25%. I think because I did the update, or now it came back to 9% again. What's that? Okay, so this is the settings. So there's the settings where you can like change the resolution and the frame rate. So there's the standard setting, then there's activity, cinematic, and there's the slow-mo. You can even add your own settings. So there's the video mode. So if you just click video mode, I think just go like that. Okay, this looping mode or something, and then there's a slow mode. So you can go back, okay, and here it is. There's a lot of settings to play with. You can choose your own settings. So let's go back, and this is the like how fast your video is. So this 1 times normal speed, twice slow-mo, 4 times slow-mo, and 8 times slow-mo. I'll just keep it in 1 times normal speed. This is the I think the boost on. It says the image stabilization. So it is for stable video, like if you're vlogging, or if you're walking or jogging, or if you're going on a roller coaster, when something is moving. So like for example, if you're walking, so the video or the footage can be a little shaky, so you don't want that to happen, so you put that boost on. But it comes with a catch, it does some tight cropping. So this is for the zooming. You can zoom in, zoom out, and so that's it. Okay, you can even do this one, this time lapse, where you can take a time lapse recording, and then you can even, okay, so there's the mode button. So from the mode button you can select, are you going to take a photo or are you going to take a video. So first let me just put this back on. Okay, so this is a video, that's a photo. You can even take a photo. Let me go back. Okay, photo, that's a photo. You can even take a photo. So for now I'll just keep it on video. Okay, so I guess that's it for this one. I'll see you in my next video as always. So oh yeah, there's also one more thing to notice. As you can see, there's an SD card. So it says, so if I'm using 1080p, so the resolution is a bit low, so I can record for about 5 hours and 17 minutes. If I increase the resolution, for example, let's say 4K, no not slow-mo, 4K. So if I increase it to 4K, the number of hours I can record reduces to 4 hours because the resolution is more high. So that's it for this video. So I'll see you in my next video. So as always, bye. I think this thing needs more charging. It's only 7%.